Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So this is a unexpected surprise. Today we got a FabFitFun box and I wasn't expecting one. I don't always check my account because, well, we just got our summer boxes, so I wasn't even thinking. So I'm really excited to open this because I have no idea what would be in it. And I guess we're just gonna get right into it. I did cut it open so I didn't have to have the scissors here. So if you're new to our channel, we do unboxings, we do home improvement, DIY, we do crafts, we do all kinds of stuff. What was that? Oh, cooking channel. Yeah, we do cooking. So we do videos on quite a few things, adventures. So hit the subscribe, check out the stuff we do. Some of it you may love, some of it might not even apply to you, but it's fun. So hit like, subscribe, and whatever else you need to do. So without further ado, here we go. Like I said, I'm excited because I wasn't expecting a box, and this would be why. This is the editor's box. I didn't even think about that. Editor's box. So the total retail value of this box is $206.99 to $451.49. Very specific. I could have categorized, but I didn't. Or I mean, selected things out of each category, but I didn't because I haven't even been on my page. So everything will be a surprise, which is great. I don't know if I'm going to tell you what each thing, how much they are, unless I did a video like that recently and it was really long. Oh my gosh, there's so much fun stuff. All right, let's check it out. I'm excited about this. Why? Because I love brushes, and it's in a little pink peach satin velvet bag. How cute. Natural bristle brush. I am going to tell you how much this is because I bet it's not bad. $30. Well, there's a, can you see that? There's a little rose on the side. It's like velvety, and then there are little studs. That is cute. Okay, I like that. I always say if you don't like something in here, you can give it away, so nothing's ever a bad deal. But a lot of people they think differently. Okay, so this is Hydro Repair Day Cream. I have loved all of the creams, all of the beauty products I pretty much use that I get out of these. So, yeah. Let's see. Oh, I have to, well, we'll just do it. Open it. I like smelling the new things too. I've given a few things away just because they smell bad. It's not a bad smell, kind of citrusy. Clay masks. Love these, but my daughter really loves clay masks, so I'll probably give this to her. This is an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. Should I be telling the prices? $39 for this. What was this other one? This one, $49. See, I love that you get a good value out of these. Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Cute packaging. I like the blue. I like it. Should I tell the price? I'm going to tell the price. $39.95. Spongel. Oh, this one's cute. I love these. If you have not gotten a FabFitFun box before, these are little sponges in the shape of a cute little flower, and they're hard, but you get them in water and you squeeze them a couple times and they foam up, and then you can just use that, and then make sure wherever you set it, it's going to get a lot of air to kind of dry. But this lasts for a really long time. There's so much soap in there, it lasts for a long time. These are nice. The thing that I've noticed about these is if you use them in in your bathroom, it smells afterwards. Like it just has that really clean smell, kind of like, any other shower gel, really. Makeup eraser, I have to say I love these. I know not everybody loves everything, but I don't like to use too many cleansers on my skin because they dried out, and aging skin, that's a big thing, but you have to get it clean. And I don't like, I get styes from, too much information, right? Styes from eye makeup remover. This removes all eye makeup. Little warm water, and this will take off even waterproof mascara. So if you've never tried one of these before, try one. They're great. All right. See, I'm really loving this box because this was another favorite item. And I have to say, this was sitting on the fireplace mantle in the bathroom, and my daughter, my adult daughter, thought it was something else. I had to open it and show her that there was not something sitting on the fireplace mantle. Love this. So put that over there, and this little bag to put all your stuff in. So this, I love the color, gold tone zippers. Let's see, nice. It even has the hanger, so you can hang it in your hotel room. Nice bag, love that. I honestly don't think there's anything in this box that I'm gonna turn around and give away. I think I'm gonna keep it all for myself, so I'm gonna be stingy this time. $49, right? Is it $49? $49, I should know this by now, $49 a month. We pay for our own boxes. We don't have any affiliation. I just love getting something in the mail, especially this one that we didn't even know was coming. There's something special about just getting a little gift in the mail, kind of like Christmas. Fun, right? And so FabFitFun is something I've been getting for about 3 years. We're looking at some other subscription boxes. We're doing a jewelry one. We're doing a snack one. We have some others that we're looking at getting. So if you have suggestions for your favorite boxes, please post them down below, and maybe that's one of the ones that I will get to start trying out. I would love your suggestions. And until then, if you haven't tried this, think about it, because I think it's a good value. Even if you only like 1 or 2 things, you can always give the rest away as gifts. Donate them to charities that need stuff for, say, silent auctions. Give them to your best friend just because she's there. Until next time, please like and subscribe, share this, help us grow, and we will see you next time. Thanks.